This video has been overdue too long. Today, we gotta put the PCM on the Buick Regal. Hey Eli, what's up with you? Let's try it today, the PCM. Last time I put it on, if you guys remember, whatchamacallit, I didn't follow the instructions. So today we're gonna try to follow the instructions, and supposedly I put the paper right here, so I knew it was gonna be here. So now let me just find it right here. So when you buy the packet, they send you this little paper and it says read this FAQ before contacting ZZP, and I didn't. I contacted them, my bad. Sorry, I'm sweating because I just washed the car. But yeah, let's follow the steps.
Yeah, a dirty cloth like a clean tire one? Spray one?
Nope. Don't use those. Those will inside dry with 1 second. Here you go. Super shiny. So I'll let him do the rest. Here's in here. See here. Just finish it off. So let's take this off. Take this off, and then we'll take the cap off. I'll be right back.
Yeah, we just try. You can use the name of it.
Yeah. Just this one, that one's already loose. You can just put it like that. I'll put these right there because you know how you always lose them. And here's the screwdriver. So it takes those 3 pins. It's just one twist and it come off. They pop up right away. Yep. Just remove them. No, you don't have to toot that. Just remove this. Just remove the filter, and then we'll be able to get to the PCM. Yeah. So just push it. Is it loose already? You can probably just tighten this one back up and then loosen this up. I think. If not, just leave it loose for right now, and then yeah, I'll loosen the other one. Yep. Now take it off. There it is. Yeah, so you can tighten this one back up, so that way it doesn't loose up. Just tighten it. Just wash the filter. Don't you damage it now. Oh man, look what you did, man. Well, yeah, but it wasn't there. We're supposed to be careful, man. Be patient. Sorry. So, reminder: be careful with your filter. Don't rush the process. All right.
You take the duck hose, I mean?
Just push it over there. Con cuidado, compa, con cuidado. Like that. And then just, yeah. And then what we're gonna do now is remove the computer. There's 2 little bits right there on the bottom. Right there. Those little, you have to remove. Yep. Let me get the thing for that. It's already off. Just pull this off. Pull this out.
Be careful with it.
Yeah, like that. And then just pull it off.
Then you got the one on the bottom.
Yeah, same thing. Here it is. No, that's the one. So to remove the PCM, the computer little thing, you need a 7, size 7. Yeah, size 7. Those are the ones that you remove from the side right here, on the side. Mine's over there. His is right here. Woo! You guys see that in the back? That's my pops. We're going to our first car meet tonight. It's supposedly like a car meet and elotes to get some corn. So that's where we're heading. It was unexpected, so we just had to get ready and go. And that's where we're going right now. I'm trying to race him, but he ain't pulling up. He just following. I'm like, pull up next to me. I'm trying to test this computer that we put on. But I still gotta put on the downpipe and the spark plugs and the smaller pulley. Oh, look at him. You see him? Oh man, he oh, I got him right. Look at him. He going. Oh, he's going. What up, homie? Yeah, look at him. Look at him. What you gotta say about that? But anyways, like I said, we're going to a car meet. I like it. Never been to a car meet with my dad. I've been to car shows when I was a little kid, but that's it. So this is one for the books for sure. So like I said, I still gotta put the spark plugs and the smaller pulley in the car. And after that, let's see how the car feels. To be honest, I don't feel much difference with the computer. Like the car was already fast like it is. But let's see once I put everything on. See you soon. I say we should do like a little small pull. Let me turn on my performance shift. Yeah. There's a little pull for you guys. And see you soon. Episode of Grandpa's Cars. We got the white Regal. What you got under the hood, old man? Oh, baby. Freshly washed, supercharged.
Yeah, I told you that spray does miracles.
Like they say, like father, like son. Mine is dirty though. It is not cleaned. That one it is. Look at how shiny this one looks.
Tomorrow we'll have a look like that.
Do it again. Do it again. Look what we got here. A Lambo. Thank you guys one more time. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment the future things or any questions you might have. One thing that I did wanted to point out, the footage was messed up so I couldn't use it, but basically once you install the PCM, the first thing that you want to do, you hop in your vehicle and you're going to basically turn on the ignition key on, and you're going to leave it on for 10 minutes. The instructions, basically all you gotta do, just go to ZZP Performance on the PCM, basically select the product, and then there's like an FAQ button right there, then you press it and it literally tells you the steps to follow. I cranked the car, it didn't turn on, which is I guess expected. You turn off the key and then you leave it on, like the ignition key, you leave the ignition key on, basically on position for 10 minutes. The security light should turn off. Once it turned off, just wait for the 10 minutes, turn off the key for like 3 seconds, and then crank up the car. For me, it worked out. So like I said, if yours doesn't work out, just go to ZZP, look at the list that they have in the product description. There's an FAQ section, and it tells you the steps to follow. I wanted to show you guys in the video, but like I said, the footage was messed up, so obviously I'm not trying to do the whole process again. So I hope this was good for you guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment. In my Instagram, you can just DM me as well if you have a question, and hopefully I'll be doing the downpipe pretty soon, and I have to order the pulley remover to be able to put the new pulley and then the spark plugs as well, and then the kit should be done. After that, then get ready for the next thing. Thank you guys one more time. See you later.